Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle helmet cameras on Amazon. The best motorcycle helmet camera can ensure you capture the ride and everything around you for later viewing. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Akaso 4K Wi-Fi Sports Action Camera. Similar to a GoPro, Akaso's EK7000 series motorcycle camera captures footage in 4K at 25 frames per second. However, to save space on the South Dakota card, you can opt to record at a lower setting, which still keeps that Ultra HD video quality look. Out of the box, you get 2 rechargeable batteries, each of which gives you up to 90 minutes of footage. One of the best features is the camera is waterproof, so you can ride it in the rain or through puddles without harm. You also get built-in Wi-Fi to edit and share your videos instantly to the internet. All you need to do is download a smartphone app for either your iPhone or Android. Another function it has is loop recording, which makes sure you record just what you need. And with the included helmet mount, you won't have to worry about buying a separate mounting bracket. While it is an excellent camera for capturing video, the sound quality may be somewhat inferior. The microphone isn't the best, so you will get a lot of noise and feedback from the motorcycle's engine and wind. Number 2. Akaso Brave 4 4K 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera Ultra HD. This camera allows you to record your adventures with breathtaking detail and clarity. Whether you're skiing down slopes, diving into the depths of the ocean, or simply exploring nature, this camera captures every moment in stunning lifelike quality. The high resolution ensures that every scene is vividly preserved, enabling you to relive your adventures as if you were there all over again. Shaky footage can ruin the impact of your action-packed moments. With the Akaso Brave 4's built-in electronic image stabilization (AIS) technology, you can bid farewell to blurry and unstable recordings. The AIS compensates for motion and vibrations, ensuring your videos are smooth and steady even during intense activities. Now you can focus on the thrill of your adventures, knowing that your footage will be clear and professional looking. The Akaso Brave 4 offers a 5x zoom feature, allowing you to zoom in on specific elements or subjects without compromising image quality. Number 3. Akaso V50 Elite 4K 60fps touchscreen. The Akaso V50 Elite raises the bar with its ability to record stunning 4K videos at 60 fps. This impressive frame rate ensures that every detail of your adventure is captured smoothly and with exceptional clarity. Whether you're conquering a mountain peak, gliding through the water, or speeding down a trail, the camera's high-resolution capabilities deliver lifelike visuals that allow you to relive your experiences in breathtaking detail. The voice control feature of the Akaso V50 Elite takes convenience to the next level. With simple voice commands, you can start and stop recording, take photos, switch modes, and power the camera on or off. This hands-free functionality allows you to stay fully immersed in your adventure while effortlessly capturing your experiences. With its waterproof casing, this camera allows you to capture the wonders of the underwater world in vivid detail. Number 4. Kuow Action Camera HD 4K 20MP. The Kuow Action Camera HD 4K captures your adventures in breathtaking detail thanks to its ability to record in high-definition 4K resolution. With 4 times the pixels of Full HD, this camera ensures that every frame is rich in detail, vivid colors, and lifelike clarity. Whether you're hiking, surfing, or skiing, the Kuow Action Camera HD 4K captures the essence of your experiences with stunning visual fidelity. With the dedicated mobile app, you can transfer and share your photos and videos effortlessly, as well as control the camera's settings from a distance. This seamless connectivity enhances your workflow and allows you to share your adventures with friends and family in real time. The wide field of view ensures that you can fit more into the frame, providing a sense of depth and scale to your photos and videos. Number 5. Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera. Dragon Touch's helmet camera allows you to capture every moment at 30 frames per second at a crystal clear 4K resolution. You can also shoot photos at 16 megapixels. Also, the camera includes a 2-inch LCD screen to view everything in real time, or to review previously captured footage whenever you want to. The camera also includes several bonus features, including an auto white balance, driving mode, loop recording, and connectivity to your smartphone through Wi-Fi. Plus, depending on the resolution you use, the two included batteries can last up to 90 minutes long each. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.